Hello students, today we will starting a new topic, that is atmospheric pressure. Now before studying this topic atmospheric pressure, the word atmosphere should be clear to us. As you know that air is present all around us. This envelope of air which is surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere, and we live in that atmosphere. The upper air put a pressure on us with force equal to that exerted by a mass of 1 kg on every square centimeter. दैट मीन्स जो अपर एयर है वो क्या डालती है, हमारे ऊपर प्रेशर डालती है विद अ फोर्स. दैट फोर्स इज इक्वल्स टू 1 kg ऑन एवरी स्क्वायर मीटर. नाउ दिस प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. Now have you wondered that why do we not get crushed under this pressure? The reason is that the pressure exerted by our body is equal to the pressure exerted by the atmosphere in our body. जो अपर एयर हमारे ऊपर प्रेशर डाल रही है और जो हमारी बॉडी का प्रेशर है that is equal. That is why we are not crushed by this atmospheric pressure. Now they have taken one activity to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. You have to take a plastic bottle, add some boiling water in it. Now the steam coming out of the water will expel most of the air from inside the bottle. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you have to close the cap tightly on the bottle. Now pour cold water on this bottle. Steam inside the bottle gets condensed, and what do you observe? That bottle gets crushed. Since the steam or cooling जो है they had expelled most of the air from inside the bottle, still the bottle has very little air inside it. The atmospheric pressure acting on the bottle from outside is larger than the pressure exerted by the little air inside, which causes the bottle to be crushed. This experiment you can do in your homes also, which will make you more clear that to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. Now to study atmospheric pressure using rubber suckers, you have seen that some toys are fixed with these rubber suckers to stick on the mirrors, glass. You have to take a rubber sucker and press it firmly to a smooth surface like a tile, plain glass or a window. Try to pull it out. Then you will see it really difficult to pull the rubber sucker off from the smooth surface. Actually by pushing the rubber surface अगर हम smooth surface में उसको push करते हैं वो क्या create कर देता है? It creates a vacuum, and the pressure of air pressing on the outer surface of the rubber sucker holds it in place. वो उसको वैक्यूम क्रिएट हो जाता है और वो रबर सकर को एट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस जो है उसको होल्ड करके रखता है. द इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच इज़ यूज टू मेजर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर इज़ नोन एज बैरोमीटर. This is a diagram of barometer. Barometer is the instrument which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Now next is effects of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure जो है that is maximum at sea level. As we go in higher altitude it decreases. आपने याद रखना है जितने हम डेप्थ में जाएंगे, ठीक है, सी लेवल सपोज दैट इज़ उस टाइम एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर मैक्सिमम होगा, और जितना ही हम हायर एल्टीट्यूड्स में जाएंगे उस एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर डिक्रीज़ होता जाएगा. So as we go up in the mountains, we found that our ear pops. We need to breathe in more often that we breathe at lower altitudes, because the air pressure around our ears जो है वो decrease होना शुरू हो जाता है, and this cause an imbalance between the inside and outside pressure of the ear, leading to popping of the ears. Next, astronauts, they wear special suits as there is no air and atmospheric pressure in space. These suits जो हैं ये prevent करते हैं blood vessels को burst करने से, and the imbalance between the pressure of blood and other fluids inside the body. The lack of pressure outside would otherwise make the blood vessels burst. ठीक है, अगर वो सूट नहीं पहनेंगे एस्ट्रोनॉट तो क्या होगा, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर और अंदर के बॉडी प्रेशर जो है उसका इम्बैलेंस हो जाएगा, जिसके कारण ब्लड वेसल जो है वो बर्स्ट कर सकती हैं. माउंटेनियर्स दे ऑफन इनकाउंटर अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ नोज ब्लीडिंग when they reach high altitude because the pressure exerted by the blood in their body becomes higher than the pressure outside, which through which the blood vessels जो हैं वो they get the burst. So these are the effects of atmospheric pressure. Now this is one the topic that they have shown that how force of atmospheric pressure by an experiment. As we know that the pressure of the atmosphere is enormous, it has a very important role. ठीक है, a very spectacular demonstration of this was done by a German physicist and engineer Otto Warburg in the 1600s. उसने क्या किया, उसने 2 semi-circular bowls लिए which was made of copper and fitted them together into form a hollow sphere. You can see this. ठीक है, आप डायग्राम में भी देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे ये हैं आपके बाउल्स. ठीक है, उसको दोनों को उन्होंने ज्वाइन कर लिया, हॉलो स्फेयर बना लिया. उसमें से एयर रिमूव कर दिए दोनों स्फेयर्स में यूजिंग द सक्शन. ठीक है, ही हैड इन्वेंटेड दीज 2 सेमी सर्कुलर बाउल्स वर हेल्ड टुगेदर ओनली बाय द प्रेशर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर. ही देन गॉट 2 टीम्स ऑफ 8 हॉर्सेस ईच टू पुल द बाउल्स अपार्ट. दोनों तरफ उसने 8 हॉर्सेस जो हैं वो लगा दिए, अटैच कर दिए इन बाउल्स को दूर करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है, द बाउल्स जो है वो दे आर हेल्ड टाइटली टुगेदर डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिंग द अनॉर्मस फोर्स ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. इतनी ज़्यादा फोर्स लग गई है बिकॉज उनमें से एयर तो रिमूव कर दिए, सिर्फ उसको किसके थ्रू अटैच किया हुआ है, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर के थ्रू. सो दे आर वेरी हार्ड टू रिमूव फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो दिस experiment shows that force of atmospheric pressure, how much is the force of atmospheric pressure. Okay, thank you students, this chapter is completed. Now you have to do the exercises.